Hello friends, welcome to the Build Learning Club. So I will continue this Python tutorial series, and this tutorial series will be an amazing tutorial series because I will cover basic to advanced in this tutorial series. Okay, so in this tutorial I will talking about the Python operator. What is the Python operator? Normally what is the operator? Guys, do you know the maths already? So x plus y equals z. So if x and y are added, then we get the value z. So let 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So basically plus, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, these all are the operators. Okay, so now just open the PPT at first, and don't worry the PPT, I will give the link in the description box. Just go through this PPT once. Okay, so there are a lot of operators in Python. At first the arithmetic operator, then comparison operator, then assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operators, and identity operators. So basically logical operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operators are the main important thing. First of the basics of your journey. Then we will go through the membership operator and identity operators also. Okay, so what is the arithmetic operator? Basically, this is maths or nothing. Okay, so addition means plus, subtraction minus, multiplications you already know, divisions and modulus and exponentiation and floor division. I will give you an example. So just go to the and open the code editor here. So just open the code editor. So now we will discuss about the arithmetic operator. Okay, so I just remove this. So now arithmetic operator is plus, minus, floor division. Okay, so let a variable, and what is the Python variable? I already have discussed in the earlier video. Just watch it. So let x is a variable, and what is the value of x is 5. 5 is an integer, and now let take y is a variable, and the value of y is 6, and z is the variable which is x plus y. So here plus addition is an arithmetic operator. So now print the value of z. Okay, so just run it, and you can see the value of z is 11. Okay, so now you can do multiply here directly and save it and run it. Okay, so now just division you can also do that. So I just change it to 18, 18. Okay, so now you can see the division value is an float point number 3.0. Okay, so here I change it to another number like 4567 and save it. Okay, so now yes, this is a division number. So here we will do exercise. We will collect some random number from the random library. So just remove it. So this is more interesting, friends. So just see it. Import random, and x will store random dot randint, and randint integer belongs 2 comma 9. Okay, so it will return integer in the range of 2 and 9, both are included. Okay, so if I print x, it will give me a random integer between 2 and 9. So save it and run it. Okay, so you can see this 4. So I just increase the value of the range 200, and next I just take one more variable y. Y is random.randint, and same I will just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now x and y are my variable. This is the random variable. Now z, you can directly print to rand addition of two random integer. You can write also this addition. This is a string. I also have discussed with what is a string and what is in inside the invite comma, and this is considered as string. Okay, so addition of the two random integer array in the random integer is then comma, then put your value x plus y. You can also take a variable z and store this value x plus y, and then you can put the z instead of x plus y here. Okay, so now save it and run it, and you can get the value. The random integer addition of two random integer is 156. So x y basically two random integers, and now we can divide also. So at first I want to just print of x and y also, that's the helpful print print x and y, x comma y. Okay, so now and here just use the division. Okay. So now you can see 191 and 64 are two random integers, are the value of these are 2.98. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operator plus division. Okay. So now I just want to see you the modulus. What is the modulus? That means the remainder basically, friends. So what is the remainder? If you don't know, I just show you. When we divide any number like 15, when we divide this 15 by 4, so 4 3s are 12, so 3 is this is the remainder. Okay, this is called remainder. So this is the remainder, and now how to find the remainder? So let's see. Okay, so for finding the remainder, so just I use this modular sign. Okay, so now here just use this, and now addition of two integer, I just change it remainder. uh, and now run it. What will happen? Let's see. So first number is 26 and the number is 131. So if we divide 26 by 131, the remainder is 26. You all know. I just put a smaller number y and greater number of x. So here I just a random integer from 2 to 20, and the x value of x is 20 to 200. Okay, then you will better understand what is the remainder function. Next, save and run it, and yet you can see if we divide 53, that means x, by y, that means 6. What is the remainder? Remainder is 5. uh, 53 and 6, you can see 53 if we divide by 6, 6 8 48, and we get remainder this 5. So basically this sign is to find the remainder. Find remainder. If we divide x by y, we will get the remainder. Okay, so here we can use this sign remainder. So now if we find the power, what is the x to the power y? You can see x to the power y means x into x into x into y times. Okay, so let's say 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So value of 2 to the power 4 is 16, and let's see 3 cube, that means 3 into 3 into 3. So value of 3 to the power 3 is 27, we all know. So how can we find this? Let's see. Okay, so now just go to here and just delete it, and now just in this case just remove this and remove this. So let y equal to 4 and x equal to 2, and here just use multiplication sign 2 times. That means x is 2, y is 4. That means 2 to the power 4. So this sign actually these signs actually indicate the power. Okay. So now run it. So you will get the value of 16. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So now 2 to the power 6, it will get the 64 value, because 2 to the power 6 is 64. So now we can see 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 10. Okay, so now 2 to the power 10, you can see 1024. Okay, so in this way you can find the power of any number. And floor division means I just see what is the floor division. Just remove this somehow. So okay, so what is the floor division? So when we divide 15 by 4, so 4 3s are 12. So remainder is what? 3. Okay. What is the greatest integer that divide 15? That is 3. What is the greatest integer? 4 that divide that 15. That means some remainder will happen, but we will get a remainder, but 3 is the greatest integer. So in this way, so if you know the greatest integer function like um, 1.6, what is the greatest integer function is 1, we can exclude the value whatever is after the point. Okay, so 2.6, what is the greatest integer? 2. 3.6, that means 3 plus 0.6, we can exclude this, so greatest integer is 3. So in the same way, if we divide 18 by 5, so 5 3 is a 3 point something, actually 3.5, 3.6, so 5 3 is a 3.6, but we can get only the value of 3. This is the floor division. Okay, so now just go to here, and if we get the 18, if we type 18, the value of x and value of y is 5. So what is the maximum integers? And now use the floor division sign, and if we divide x by y, what is the maximum integer we get? So you can change this remainder, actually this is a string, I forgot to change. So you can get the value 3, actually max remainder, max integer. Okay, so now if we change the value to 105 and here 10, so basically what we will get, the value of the what is the value of this 105 divided by 10, the maximum integer is 10. Okay, so if we run this, so maximum integer is 10, you can see. So this is the floor division method, you can now understand better. So just go through this PDF and try all of these operators. Okay, and if you don't know the operators and if you are unable to download, you can also go to the chat GPT and type the Python arithmetic operators. mm, Chat GPT, chat GPT, and always use AI to learn something. So Python operators, Python operators list. So if I ask the ChatGPT, you can see this arithmetic operator, then these all are printed. Okay, so always use the AI to learn addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, floor division operator, exponential division, exponential. Modulus means remainder. Always careful about that. Okay, so now the comparison operator are there, logical operator. I just show one is the comparison operator equal to. Okay, so now I just give you some example. If we change this value to 10, x equal to 10 and y equal to 10, and if we print this, what if x equal y. Okay, so what will happen? Let's see. So you can see this, the value is true, that means x equal y is the right. If we change to any number, then it will give the false because x not equal to y. So this is the comparison operator. So x is less than y, so x is less than y, you can see. So now this time we get the value of true. So you can see. Okay, so here we can use the if also. So just condition, don't about the condition, we will more know about this if in the later videos. So if x less than y, then print print x is greater than y, otherwise else print x is less than y. Okay, so if x is less than y, sorry, actually I just change it to sign to greater than. So if x is greater than y, so then print x is greater than y, otherwise x is less than y. So in this case it is not greater than 10, so this line will be printed. Let's see. Don't about if else condition, we will see in next videos. So x is less than y, so if I change the value to any greater than y, so now the upper condition will be printed. Okay, x is greater than y. So if I change to 10, what will happen? There is no condition. So there, what is happening? Let's see. X is 10 and y is 10. So x is less than y. Why it is happening? Because if x is greater than y, so print x is greater than y. Here x is not greater than y. So anything is not fulfill this condition, this line has been printed, or this code inside the else has been printed. So if I here one more thing, elif, 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 elif x equal y. So now print elif, that means else if. We can add many conditions inside the if else loop. Okay, so print x is equal to y. Okay, so now you can check. So x is equal to y. So now here we can change the value. Uh, you can change the value to any value. So now what will happen? So now you can see, friends, x is greater than y, because x value of x is 86 and value of y is 10. So this line has been printed. And if x is not greater than y, if x is equal to y, then this line has been printed. Otherwise, this line else has been printed. So you can add as many as condition using elif, but else will be there. If you not write this elif, then whatever this is has to be fulfilled. If this condition is not fulfilled, then the code inside the else will run. Okay, so again I will see you. So now the value of x is 10. So now this condition is not fulfilled, x is not greater than y. So whatever is in else, it will print. However, x is equal to y, that doesn't matter. Whatever is in else condition, that will print if this condition is not satisfied. So now save it and run it. So you can see whatever is in else condition, this is run. Okay. So now here inside ChatGPT you can see the lot of operator. So these all are the Python operator. So I have covered the comparison operator and also the some of the if else loop, but I will cover more details in later videos. And or logical operator, x or y, x and y, if x and y and x or y, that's you can use this. And bitwise operator, assignment operator. I just want to see you. And plus equal to, what is plus equal means? I just want to see one example that you can find the other also. So just go to here. So friends, here I can use plus equal. So what is this? Actually, just go to the whiteboard and operator plus and equal to, that is means. So this is means equal x plus equal to, that is means x equal to x plus whatever is a 5. And if the value of x equal to 10 before, then after this the value of x will be 15. After one more using plus equal to 5, the value of 15 will be 20. So now print x. So you can see this 15. So if I write it one again, so what will happen friends? Guess it. Okay, so let's run. You can see the value is 20. Okay, so now again if we run it, then the value is 25, because first x value of x is 10, then we use the plus equal operator, then x equal to x plus 5, that means x equal to 10 plus 5 15, then x equal to x plus 5, that means 15 plus 5 is 20, that again I use the plus equal to, that means x equal to x plus 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, so this is the plus equal operator. In this way you can use the minus equal, into equal, division equal. Okay, so these all are the operators of assignment operators. So you can assign the value. So now the identity operator, I just give you a small example. Hmm, let's see what is the identity operator. X equal 10 and y equal 10. Save it and the print x is y. So now what happened, let's see. So this is the value is true. This is the identity operator. If x is y, then value is true. If x is not y, then value is false. I use the not. X is not y. So this time what will happen? The value is false because x equal to y. So if I change the value to 40, that means x is not y. So this time this will be true. This is the identity operator, friends. So we will more details about the operator in later project videos. Okay, so just go through the PPT. I will give the link in the description box, and you can also search in the chat GPT also about the Python operator list. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and see you in next tutorial. Bye.